Right on the banks of the Eel River on the outskirts of Petite France, lies the Alsatian Museum of Local History. We walk on our tour through old Strasbourg dwellings connected by wooden staircases and corridors. Costumes, furniture, reconstructions of characteristic interiors of different regions of Alsace make the tour very interesting. Numerous objects show rural life in Alsace in the 18th and 19th centuries. Collected rare objects and faithfully recreated rooms are arranged picturesquely and still give an interesting picture of a time long gone.